Hi, it's Dan from Bocain Designs again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a backup of your WordPress website using UpdraftPlus. And this assumes you've took your backup using UpdraftPlus, and I covered that in a previous video, so certainly go look for that, and if I can figure it out, I'll link to it. Anyway, here we are in WordPress. If you hover over UpdraftPlus at the top, or if you go to settings on the sidebar and click Updraft Plus, it's going to bring you to the same place, this screen, and you can see we have our backups from earlier. Option to back things up here, but today's video is about restoring an existing backup. So we're going to come down here and we're going to go to the backup from earlier today right here. We're going to go ahead and click on Restore. And this is where you can decide what specifically do we want to restore. Maybe we deleted a plugin and we need it back, or maybe we updated our plugins because it needed updates and it broke a feature. So we need to replace our old plugins from earlier today. We'll go ahead and click on plugins, click next. It ran through a quick process you couldn't see because it was so quick, basically just verifying it thinks everything is going to work. So now we can go ahead and click on restore. And now you can see it's going through the process, verifying. Now it's going through the plugins to restore the files from the plugin folder. This log just tells you specifically what it's doing. But now you can see we have restoration success, restored success. And now we can go ahead and return back to the configuration screen. We get a confirmation that we've been restored, and then it also asks us just to delete the old directory. So basically, when it restored my backup, it took everything that would have been copied over, so all the stuff we had before we clicked restore, and just put it in a folder just in case the restoration didn't work out. You still have access to the stuff you might have deleted in the restoration process. But in my case, we don't need that. We're going to click delete old directories and free up some hard drive space. You can see we have confirmation that this is done. And now when we come back here, no more error message. I don't know if you saw it before, but this had taken up almost 260 megabytes. Now it's down to 129 because we deleted some unnecessary files. So that's all there is to it. Good luck.